In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enroll contacts in a sequence in Hubspot. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to effectively enroll your contacts in the desired sequence. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Hubspot website. Once you're there, look for the login option at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will lead you to a variety of sign-in methods. For convenience, let's select the Sign In with Google option. Once you've clicked, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account associated with your Hubspot. This makes logging in a breeze and seamlessly connects your accounts. Upon logging into Hubspot, direct your attention to the navigation menu at the top. Here, you'll find a tab labeled Sales. Click on it to expand more options. This section houses a lot of the tools you'll need, but for our purpose today, look for the Sequences link and click on it. HubSpot sequences are a powerful tool designed to automate and streamline your communication efforts. Choose the sequence you are interested in by browsing through the list. Found it? Great. Click on it to open up more detailed settings. Now let's get to enrolling contacts. On the top right corner of your screen, you'll see an option to enroll contacts. Clicking this will bring up an interface where you can start selecting the contacts you want to enroll. Don't worry if you make a mistake. You can adjust your selections as needed. After you've clicked Enroll Contacts, you'll need to do it once more. This might sound redundant, but it's a built-in confirmation step to ensure that you really want to proceed. This next step is essential. You'll see a list of available contacts to enroll. Carefully scroll through and click on the contact you wish to enroll in your chosen sequence. Once you've selected your contact, move down to the bottom of the screen and click Next. This will take you to the final steps of the enrollment process. Lastly, to kick things off, simply click on Start Sequence. This will activate the sequence for your selected contact, setting into motion the series of communications or tasks you've carefully crafted. And there you have it. Your contact is now successfully enrolled in a sequence on HubSpot. The system will now take it from here, automating follow-ups and reminders as specified. This is a great way to stay organized and ensure consistent communication without the hassle of manual oversight. I hope this guide was helpful and has demystified the process for you. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher.